Welcome to 2.5's Math Moment. Today students learned how to use selected measurements to find the area and perimeter of shapes that they need. So students need to use the formula for a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2, which can be written in either one of these forms. They also need to use the formula for a parallelogram, which is base times height. This question number 1 says find the perimeter and the area for the triangle below. So we need to find the perimeter and the area. I'm going to start with perimeter first. So to find perimeter, we need to add up all of the sides around the shape that we're using. Notice in this shape, we're using the shaded shape. So I've got 4, I've also got 7, and I have 10. So to add all those up, I have 4 plus 7, which is 11, plus 10. 10 plus 11 is going to give us 21. My label in this case is going to be centimeters, and because I'm dealing with perimeter, it's just simply centimeters. Now to find the area of the triangle, I'm going to use the formula base times height divided by 2. My base is 4, and now this is where I have to use these other numbers. I need to find the height. The height in this case is going to be the 6. So I need to take 4 times 6 divided by 2. When I take 4 times 6, I know that is 24. 24 divided by 2. Some students might know this, which is 12. Or some students might need to go ahead and take 24 divided by 2 and go ahead and divide that out. Depending on the ability of your student, you can make the decision that's appropriate for them. So the answer is going to be 12, and I'm doing area, so I'm going to do centimeters squared. Moving on, we're going to look at this example number 2, which just says find the perimeter and area of the parallelogram below. Reviewing the formula for parallelogram, we're going to take base times height. So I'm going to start with perimeter again. The perimeter is adding up around the outside. So if I know this is 5, over here is 5. If this is 4, then this one's going to be 4. For some fast math, I know 5 plus 5 is 10, and 4 plus 4 is 8, which gives me 18. If your student is a person that wants to list it all out, they can go ahead and do the same thing, which would just be 4 and 5 plus 5, which would still give us 18. The units we're working with today is centimeters, so it's 18 centimeters. Now, to find the area of this shape, I'm going to go ahead and review my formula for area, which is base times height. In this case, I know my base is 4, and my height is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. Remembering that my label is going to be centimeters, and I'm working with area, so I'm going to make that centimeters squared. If you have any questions about lesson 2.5, see your math teacher.